Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've realized it's been quite a while since I've done a full hair tutorial, so that's what we're doing today. And I think I'm going to be doing a little bit of a change up today. Sometimes there's a misconception that with short hair, you're relegated to one specific style every day. So today I'm going to show you another way that you can style your longer pixie cut. Okay, so I am just combing through my freshly towel dried hair. I'm going to start off with a little bit of the Catwalk Root Boost, and I'm just going to put this in the top section right here. I'm not going to go all the way down here because I have other plans for that. And then I'll put a little bit through the top section. And then I want just a little extra body right here today. So I'm going to put a couple of squirts right there. And here. Then I'm going to take my Acure Argan Oil, and I am about 6 weeks. It's been 6 weeks since I had my hair colored. So my hair's still a little more on the dry side. So I'm doing 2 pumps of that oil. And when I get down here, I'm going to be flattening this out here and flattening the sides here. Okay, so normally I flip my hair. Normally my hair is parted on the left side going over to the right, but today I am actually going to wear it flipped over. We're going to be kind of doing a little bit of what you're seeing here. I'm going to spike this top part, and then as we go down, it's going to then flatten towards the bottom. I'm also going to be pulling these sides down as I blow dry. We'll see if we can add a little bit of extra body here and just kind of give our hair do a little extra funkiness today. So now it's time to get started with the blow dryer. Now that I've finished blow drying, I just want you to see kind of where we're at with the back. We're gonna fix a lot of this here. All right, now it's time for a little flat iron magic, and I'm just going to run this through and help my hair kind of go in this direction that it normally does not go. And then here on the sides, I'm going to kind of just experiment a little bit here and add a little more body, and then pull the sides here down. And I'm going to be tucking a good portion of this behind my ears, so we don't have to worry too much about that. But now I'm going to take this through the top and just kind of further spike this section. And it's been about 2 weeks since I had my hair cut, and while this isn't as short as I had it cut last spring, my stylist and I have been kind of figuring out a way to kind of do an in-between cut and style, and so that's what I have here. It's not quite as blunt of an edge, but you can see I can still wear it flat and it looks like it's extra short. Now it's time to work the magic, and we're using Enjoy Dry Wax. And I'm going to take a little bit less than I normally do to start off with. So I just like to put a little bit of that on my finger and rub it between my hands to warm it up. And if you've not seen my how to get the Enjoy Dry Wax out of the jar video, I'll link that for you below. But you just want to get a good amount of it, and we're going to start just here at the top and then work a little bit of this in the front section. And I am going to kind of pull this, I'm twisting with my fingers towards the back a little bit to bring some pieciness, but also to help kind of mold and shape the hair to go in this opposite direction. Take a little bit on my fingers here, a little more, and we're gonna just kind of have some fun over here on this side. Add a little extra body. Okay, and then in the back section here, it looks kind of misplaced, I think, or just kind of strange, at least for me, when it's super flat against my head. So I just like to take a little bit of wax and work it through. And then we will kind of piece that back just a little bit. So it just looks like it has a little fuller texture back there, but it's not exactly spiked like I normally wear it. And then again, I'm going to just, if you have sections that aren't obeying, I just take a little bit of hair in my 2 fingers and almost like you're ratting it. And then usually that helps it stay. And then I'm just going to take a couple sections here and I'm twisting it back. All right, and now it's time to set everything in place with hairspray using my standard Aussie Instant Freeze hairspray. And then here, when I get here, you can see I kind of want it to angle down. So I'm just gonna tuck some of those spikes in just a little bit. All right, and here is our finished look. I have to say, I've really been enjoying having this other option of another way to style my pixie cut. So when I don't want all of the back of it spiked and I don't want to have it super flat back there, this is kind of that perfect in between. And I think by keeping this top part still kind of more spiky and textured looking, it still keeps it modern and up to date. So I hope this video was fun and helpful for those of you who have a similar haircut as mine. Hopefully I gave you some ideas of how you can either change up your current style or just tweak it and add maybe a little more extra body or texture to your current style. Thank you as always so much for watching. I appreciate your support so much. If you're not already a subscriber, I would love to have you here. Hit that button below, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.